You're staring at a blank screen, a pile of emails, and a massive to-do list, and you're wondering, can an AI actually save me hours today, or is it just another tab to manage? Everyone says AI is the answer, but most people are using it like a glorified Google search. If you're manually copying and pasting, or constantly reprompting because the output is garbage, you aren't saving time, you're losing it. Today, we're settling the score between the two heavyweights, ChatGPT and Claude, to see which one is actually the productivity powerhouse you need. Let's look at the lineup. On one side, we have ChatGPT, the Swiss Army knife of AI. It's got voice mode, DALL-E image generation, web browsing, and custom GPTs. It's the jack of all trades. On the other side, we have Claude, the refined, intellectual powerhouse. It's known for being less robot-sounding, having a massive context window for reading entire